I was speaking in a group last night, and then when I was done, I did an open Q&A, and a woman asked a question. I know this is going to sound crazy. I love those questions. I know this is going to sound crazy, but I swear my betrayal caused me to age. You could see the difference in the pictures. It's like I looked 10 years older between the time of the betrayal and like 2 or 3 years afterwards. Am I crazy? No, it's very, very real. And so many people have said this. One of the things that betrayal does is it increases it ignites the stress response. You are headed for every single stress-related symptom, illness, condition, disease. It causes accelerated aging, a suppressed immune system, and so much more. So while you may want to spend so much time and effort and money on lotions, potions, procedures, whatever you're doing, one of the most effective ways to get back that youthful glow is heal from your betrayal. When you move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, you will notice you look different. So here's what I recommend. If you're really struggling with your betrayal, and it could be for a long time, but you just really haven't done anything differently to create anything different, take a picture of yourself. Take a picture of yourself and then move through the stages. If you know the 5 stages, take a picture of yourself in stage 3, take another one when you're in stage 4 and even in stage 5, and you will notice how different you look. You're not making it up. It is real. So, one of the other things that betrayal does causes accelerated aging. The good news is when you heal from the betrayal, you get back that youthful glow. Hope that helps.